Alright, what's good, people? Bell is literally right now. Let's see how this opens up. Mate, get off. Can you go away, bro? Okay. So we're going to immediately come up and tag that data week. No, we haven't just yet. Right, so the fact that we just ran that LR and failed to take out that London high tells me we might want to see lower like this. So yeah, I'm gonna be cautious today. I am gonna trade my funded. I realize I have a consistency rule on it, so I couldn't take that max payout, which is annoying. I think in QNAS you're gonna probably be more bullish because I see Tesla's up. Maybe this London high is gonna be the draw. We have so much rebalancing to do, and we also have this SM2 at this high. This is like a very prominent high in this market maker model. It's this one up here. Everything's up though on the S&P, like all Tesla and everything's up. Like everything that makes up the S&P is up a lot, which tells me we're probably going to see longs. Wait, if anyone took this, they're actually a retard. This is so clean. This is like very clean coming into the session. It was just on the bell. This is what I wanted to see happen. Like exactly that. It was just on the bell. I said it in my outlook to the students. Hourly tap SMT. Like, wow. Man, there's no way that played out. That trade off the rip on here played out, bro. It's a negative risk to reward, though. It would have been like a 2-minute. Was there a 3-minute? No. Or the 3-minute closure lap here. This is all LR up here. Like, it should just get run all at once. That's such a nice open, though. Wow. Hmm. Switching all this stuff around quickly because I see some better setups forming. Did we just make equal highs? No, we literally just turtle swooped it. I don't like shorts, but like, bro. Yeah, so that London high was nice. This should all smack now. All these draws up here. Oh my gosh. Wrong shit, bro. No, bro. What are you doing? Lock in. This high should get run. This hourly candle just hasn't manipulated lower yet, which is just sussing me out. Because it's a 4-hour candle too. What high is this? It's not a high at all. Bro, oh my gosh. Quickly, bro, quickly, hurry up. I want to try a short, but like, I'm just not really sure. Yeah, I think this is probably gonna dump. I'm gonna try one. Alright, I took it on the wrong account. Nice. Maybe that was a good sign. Took it on the wrong account. I want to see if we pull back into this 1 minute. Because we do have a lot of 4 hours to fill down. Like, look at this. We have so many 4 hours to fill. But like, we're not very aggressive to sell off. So I'm just gonna sit out. Maybe this was a bad idea to sit out. But I just don't really trust it. I should be in this trade, but I want to see if we start respecting these PDOs here. I would rather take it on XAU USD. Because I see where this is sitting. Thank God I took that shit on the wrong account, bro. Thank God I took that shit on the wrong account. Alright. Oh. I wanted to go break even in that unfilled 4 and that unfilled 3 minute. Because, like, if we are going to be bullish, we're going to hold this because what's this? This is a gap that is sitting in this discount level. So if we are bullish, then this should push us higher. Like, yeah. I mean, this is probably going to be a fast break even. Wow. Yeah. I'm not surprised about that shit or whatsoever. If that was a fast break even, I'd rather it be a fast break even than to it be a stop loss. Because those gaps should really hold us. So yeah, I'm just not trusting that ATM. Probably could have reduced the stop above there, but I'm just not playing around with this. Because, like, look what we are literally delivering out of an hourly. I just don't trust it. That was not a very good trade, I'll be completely honest. We swept that high inside of the daily, inside of the weekly. Unfilled 4 hour there, unfilled 4 hour there. And like, look, I was literally targeting that. It was not a very good trade. Selling router. I should not have taken that shit, bro. There's no way. No. I'm gonna sit on my hands a bit more. Like, we did get that CISD and everything, so. Yeah, I don't really want to trade this. In all honesty. I'm missing like 3 candles on ES, bro. What is this bullshit? I mean, this trade here wouldn't have been horrific. it's like, yeah, I'm not sure. Like clearly this 3 minute and this 4 minute is doing its role. This is also a suspension block, so it's very high probability FPG. But yeah, I'm glad I took that break even fast because I just should not have been in that trade, in all honesty. There's like no draw. That was such a bad trade. I'm very mad at myself for taking that trade. Discretionally, it looked good, but there's no draws. There's no good draws. Hmm. Yeah, but I don't even know what this price action is, bro. I'm sitting on my hands if something happens. Bro, we dead ass. We've done nothing. We're doing nothing. What is this shit, bro? Oh my god. This is just so boring, bro. There's a fat ass first presented 15 on NQNES. Depending on how this PO3 looks, this would be clean. Hopefully we don't just immediately tag this though. That's what I would not want. I would want us to like leave it open. We get like some SMT above here. Immediate manipulation higher. The NQ looks like it's obviously drawing towards that 15. A beta manipulation higher above these highs to take out these. And I mean, I would love for us to like form a 1 minute like up here or something. Just to stretch that risk to reward out like this. Because the draw's so close. Right, so AS just made more relative equal highs. We have a new 4-hour formed on NQ and AS. More manipulation, please, bro. What was that shit, bro? We have like some internal SMT on AS, but it's horrible. This is looking like we're about to tag that 15. And we tagged the 15. Everything's done out. I'm not longing, bro. There's no way I'm taking a long. Like, we have no bottom wick here whatsoever, so this is an obvious short. However, we're sort of generating LR here. And to combat LR, to make sure you're not getting caught in that generation of LR, you know what, for Sarah stays, so hair stays all the way down here. It's just not good. Hmm. Oh, this is so fried, bro. What? Massive 4-hour order block, by the way. Like a very big order block. Equilibrium level of the range is about to be tapped, which I like. 4% on the day, really, bro. Now this is poorly engineered. Nice. This is gonna get drawn into this candle with no bottom wick. It's just like, bro. Well, gold looks like it stopped wanting to generate LR. But now we sort of have a tiny bit, we have just unprotected highs. I'm gonna get off because there's nothing here. Alright, like another day of no trades. I took one break even, but I shouldn't have taken that trade, and I knew it, and I got out at break even very fast, okay? Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Nothing here looks good to me, like nothing at all. There's a trade here that would maybe be alright, but it's like, am I really gonna try to stay on? We're in such premium right now. We've also rebalanced this huge range, but I think this daily gap's going to go inverse. Like gold just can't seem to get out of this 50% range. Like whenever we get on it, we just go consolidate again. Like we're just respecting bullish PDRs. There's one draw I have now, being this candle with no bottom wick. But for me to take it, I would need to see PDRs being respected on the sell side, like bearish PDRs getting respected. Order blocks getting respected. No, we hit that 5. Right. Well, we have an unfilled 5 here, so it's like gold is now respecting those PDRs though. Look at this LR, holy. I don't even want to try that shit, bro. Surely we get a nice AMD above here before we tap this 5. I'm only interested in taking shorts right now. If we tap this 5, I'm going to get off. Because this needs to be sort of left unfilled. Okay, that must have been some sort of news, surely. But only gold went up. That wasn't news. Hmm. This is a very nice AMD model. Like, this is just straight chop though. I have a feeling this high is just not safe. I want like a better break out of the range. Because right now, just like a little sweep isn't good enough for me. Or at least a little internal manipulation before. Like above here. We are about to form this 15 as well. Bro. This is just like what? This is moving weird. The low resistance liquidity being generated to the downside here is honestly baffling to me. This 15-minute has no bottom wick. What the? I said internal high reswept. The only trade I see here would have been this long immediately off the open. It's a better manipulation out of the range. To be like ultra cautious, it would have to look like this. Under the CISD level. Yeah, I'm getting off. If we're just gonna just keep on ripping, accumulating and ripping, I don't want to take part in this whatsoever. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Later, ball.